In this video, I'm going to be sharing an incredibly useful online tool which allows you to compare the image quality of any lenses to see which one is right for you. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Thomas, and on this channel I do wildlife photography tips, editing and camera gear videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so the tool that I'm about to show you is actually one that I used when I was trying to figure out which lenses were best for wildlife photography. So first of all, head over to the web address that's on screen now. Then head over to Tools and select Image Quality. Now, choose the lenses you'd like to compare. In my case, I'll compare a Sigma 70-200 and a Nikon 70-200. Okay, so as you can see here, when I hover over the image, it actually changes between the lens on the left and the lens on the right, and you can see which one you're viewing by looking at the arrow up here. So what we're looking at here is the image quality of the center, the mid-frame and the corners. In this case, it's quite clear that the Sigma is sharper and has less chromatic aberration. But that's not all you can do. What I love about this tool is that you can select the focal length, choose whether you want to see the image quality with a teleconverter attached, change the aperture, and sometimes you also get the option to change the camera body as well. Finally, this tool can be used to look at focus breathing, which is when the focal length of the lens changes depending on the focus distance. As you can see, the Sigma lens shows some pretty serious focus breathing compared with the Nikon at 70mm, as the Nikon lens gives us a slightly tighter field of view in this test. Alright, so that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you'll find that tool really useful. And question of the day, what's your favourite tool for buying used camera gear? Maybe it's just YouTube, but be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Alright then guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Please hit the like button if you thought it was valuable, and definitely subscribe for weekly informational videos just like this one. Until next time, stay creative and we'll talk soon.